So we're going to the bush, as I told you before. We have some things we're going to show you. Found a, you can come. So how things first thing here village. So just follow me and you're going to go to come. Here you can come. The savannah grows now. Come. So you're going to enjoy it. So just watch out.
Yeah. What you are seeing is the route that takes us to the corral to collect some milk. And this one you want to make yourself very happy here, especially in this place. Except you need to put hard, because the reason why we have come here is to start it. If you have not put like this, nobody can stay in this place.
Yeah.
Otherwise it is hard struggle.
Yeah. So what you had was India is a bit not really comfortable place. To live here.
That's true.
These people, some are racist, as you can. Yeah,
very
racist. Yeah. But so
home. Okay. Good mother was here.
your mother.
Good mother.
Oh, so we have reached.
Anna, namaste.
Hey, hi.
Camera.
Yeah. Picture.
Is there?
Video?
Yeah.
Video.
Photo?
Yeah, photo. You want photo? Okay. Where are you studying? You're studying?
Where you are studying? College.
School? College?
Government Junior College.
Oh, government. That's very good. Where? In
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. Which year are you now?
Third class.
Yeah,
Inter second year.
Into second year?
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good, man. Good to drink? This water?
No.
Drink? Good? From here or this one?
Same one.
This one?
Drinking?
Nil.
Drinking water.
Yeah, drink. This one good?
No.
Drinking water.
He's asking if this is
Is
drinking.
it good to drink? Okay.
Manchini lana.
Guys, really give them in Malta.
Oh,
They want to be drunk, they bring from.
very good garden.
Good.
This garden is very good.
Fit.
How much is a liter here?
Listen.
Wow, that's a mother. I think it's there.
Where is the male? Anna. Male. Big where? Not here? Yeah.
So I think you have seen just what how they milk cattle here. So it is very interesting. Yeah.
They use two hands.
Yeah, they use two hands to do it.
They use Jared, that's the bucket.
Yes, and
Otherwise they're using cups. Here.
exactly, yes. So you have seen it. It's not something which is so uncommon. Yeah, it's common
Same.
everywhere. Yes, the same in Africa and everywhere. So, but these people, the way they take cattle is different from
But they
ours.
treat it really like human
They
being.
treat it like a human being, and they believe it's a god. So they believe that it's a mother, since it can give people milk, so to feed on. So they consider to be like a god. So they don't kill cattle here, and people don't eat meat, especially here. They keep it just for milk and for prayers,
For worship.
for worshiping. Yeah, that's the thing about these people here. And I hope you have enjoyed this thing, but we still have a lot of things to show you. It's not clean, man. Is it clean?
No, my God. Wait, tomorrow. Okay? No soap is there? Soap?
Let's just use ours.
Yeah. Yeah, that is good.
That's why the one you bought last time, it was funny.
I will take this. I'll take this one.
Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
The bonus, you know.
So we're going to have this guy. Yes, you take me.
We are going to carry the feet for the cattle because they don't move. Just their feet are brought near them. As you can see.
Yeah, I'm going to help this guy. So take this thing here.
Yeah.
This is just for friendship.
Yeah.
Where is it? This one?
Yeah. These are the feet. As you can see, my two brothers are speaking now to lift. They also have some stamina how to lift it. You can see now how the other is training. Yes, see? Carrying the feet. One full liter. See, goes this grass a bit mixed with the dung. There we're wasting resources, we are burning grasses. I don't see it's important thing. Can we please try to copy things also from our neighbors? You know, it is very, very unique. Other than applying artificial fertilizers, that in short time it make our soil become really duplicated. We cannot use it anymore. So I'm feeling that it's better even when we also copy this knowledge. The grasses that we have in our field, very many. We need to mix with this dung so that it give us composite manure to increase the yield, to increase with it.
Okay. See you guys, friends. We're back at school, so there's no need to take this to the